Today, for this 3-Minute Thursday, I will break down the new 2018 SolidWorks CAM product to educate users on what it is and what comes with the two current levels of SolidWorks CAM. SolidWorks CAM is the new knowledge-based machining technology that comes with every level of SolidWorks out of the box, with the option to purchase an additional upgrade for more added features. A lot of users have been asking, do I need the upgrade? So let's break down what is what. SolidWorks CAM is directly integrated into the SolidWorks 3D CAD environment and leverages 3D features generated during model creation such as tolerance, machinability, and configurations. This program will also allow you to create recognizable machine strategies that will automatically adjust and standardize machining practices for a given part or feature and provide a quote for the cost. SolidWorks CAM has two levels, one that is free and one that has an added cost. SolidWorks CAM Standard comes with every level of SolidWorks, so everyone who owns SolidWorks 2018 moving forward will have this technology. Standard comes with automatic feature recognition, which utilizes the features of the SolidWorks part, such as holes and pockets. Both levels utilize knowledge-based machining, but Standard only supports 2.5 and 3-axis milling. SolidWorks CAM Standard also comes with tolerance-based machining, which can utilize SolidWorks tolerancing with DIM Expert and MBD, as well as a speed and feed library for machines and tooling. With the upgrade purchase to SolidWorks CAM Professional, users will get access to turning, which is the largest difference between Standard and Professional. Users will also get the added benefit of machining assembly features and high-speed machining, including the volume mill feature for high-speed and high-performance roughing. A lot of customers ask about water jet, plasma, and laser cutting. SolidWorks CAM Standard would be sufficient to create these toolpaths, and the machine strategy can be saved for repeated use. I hope this video helps users decide whether or not they require the upgrade for their capabilities when using SolidWorks CAM, and that many of you will turn on the add-in and give it a whirl. This has been TPM's 3-Minute Thursdays. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.